Apprenticeships have come a long way since the government's 2012 review of how vocational training can meet the needs of employers, employees and the economy. Apprenticeships comprise of components that together make a standard which demonstrates occupational competence. The Institute for Apprenticeships sets the rules by which standards are independently assessed. From 1 to 7 years in duration, apprenticeship pathways vary in the level of award on successful completion, from GCSEs to master's degree equivalents. Whatever the role, employers must have a genuine need for it, and apprentices must be able to demonstrate the knowledge, skills and behaviours of the apprenticeship standard. The advanced therapies industry has grown rapidly. Apprenticeships offer employers a chance to recruit new talent and upskill existing staff in all areas and at every level. ATAC, the Advanced Therapies Apprenticeship Community, has been established to help employers take on apprentices with the skills, knowledge and behaviours the advanced therapies industry needs. Advanced Therapies Apprenticeships through ATAC are delivered through a partnership which brings employers together with industry and training providers. Apprenticeships are already available in a range of areas, from laboratory science to science manufacturing, process engineering, regulatory affairs, management and logistics. Employers pay 5% and the government pays 95% of training and assessment costs, up to a funding band maximum. This varies according to the apprenticeship's level, duration and role. If your wage bill exceeds £3 million a year, you must pay the apprenticeship levy. Your apprenticeships are paid for by levy funds. Non-levy paying employers share the cost with government. This is called co-investment. If the cost exceeds the funding band maximum, both levy-paying and non-levy paying employers must pay the difference themselves.